friends? I have a terrific recipe for you today. I'm kicking off a new series. My drinks, my cocktails. The first drink that I'll be making for you is my sangria. You guys are gonna love it. It's a family favorite and a friend favorite. So let's get started. Here's a quick look at all the ingredients. First, you wanna start out with your fruit. I did not do that here, but I'm telling you in advance. Put your fruit in, pour in your whole bottle of brandy, your whole bottle of peach schnapps. I added in a little bit of strawberry and mango simple syrup to speed up the process, but you want to let your drink sit overnight in the refrigerator. Next, add in your bottles of wine. Not one, I'm adding in two because I'm sure this is a terrific sangria. You and your family is going to love it. I want you to drink responsibly and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.